If you have been wondering when Arichain will do KYC, this is the latest update in that regards. As you can see, the Ariwallet registration is scheduled for late October to early November. You will have to submit your EVM wallet address and then look at this other task. Now, I'm going to show you how to complete this task. I'll show you where to get this your EVM wallet address and how to submit it on Ariwallet. But first of all, once you get this type of informations, you need to first of all verify if it is true, because I just received this information today. As you can see, I have dropped it on my Telegram channel. If you're not on this channel, you are missing a lot. Use the link in the description box of this video to join it. Now, before I show you how to go about this, we need to first of all verify, is this information true? To do this, it's simple. You just basically have to head to their X account. And this is, you should also learn, anytime you are joining a new project, the first thing you should do is to follow them on X if they have an X account, because that is where you are going to be getting all official informations in regards to them. So once you come here, you can see I am already on Arichain's website. That is on their main page. This main page where they are verified with a blue tick. They have over 604k followers. Now, if you scroll up, this is the first pinned post. You scroll up again, this is the post. Now, Ariwallet registration update is scheduled for late October to early November. What they will require you to do when that update comes out is you will need to submit your EVM wallet address and your Discord nickname. I will show you how to do this in a minute. Look at, they say Discord, that is in-app. Submit your Ari wallet address and EVM wallet address. This update will be launched through a feature upgrade planned for late October to early November. So what this basically means is that this is not live yet, but let me show you how to go about this. So what you want to do first of all is to head over to your Ari wallet. Look at my Ari here. So you head over into your Ari wallet. I'm gonna tap on testnet, and I don't think I have checked in for today. Okay, all right, I've checked in. My daily checking has been done. Now, once you come on this page, for you to submit your wallet address, you need to first of all verify if you have done the Discord task. Let me head over to general, and all right, you can see I have done this their Discord task. So if you have not done this, make sure to do it, because this task is very important. Once you do this Discord task, you'll be able to be in their Discord channel where you'll now be able to complete all of this. Now, once that update goes live, click on this your hamburger menu at the top right of your screen. You come over here, you are going to see a button here that they will require you to submit the wallet. Now, if you are using either Trust Wallet or MetaMask, for me, I use OKS Web3 Wallet. OKS Web3 Wallet is not on this my phone, but so if you want to connect your MetaMask or your Trust Wallet, you just simply head into your MetaMask and you copy your wallet address. If you are using Trust Wallet, go into your Trust Wallet, copy your Ethereum wallet address. When they say EVM, they're simply telling you to copy your Ethereum wallet address from a decentralized wallet. You don't have to do any complex thing. You just come into your app and copy any wallet address at all that you see. Why? Because all these addresses are the same. But for an easier method, if you don't understand what you are doing, just just tap on Ethereum and you copy your wallet address here. So you can see when I scroll up, okay, this is the contract. Let me look for, this is receive. So you tap on this your receive button. Once it opens up, you can see this is your address. You go ahead and copy it. Once you copy, you exit from your wallet. And like I said, if you're using Trust Wallet, copy your Ethereum wallet address. The space is going to be provided here once that update goes live, where you can now paste in the wallet address. Now, for you to the other thing you need to do, the other task they say we need to do again is to copy your Ari wallet address. That one you can also locate it with the hamburger menu at the top right of your screen. Look at, this is your Ari chain wallet address here. You copy it here, and then they will tell you you need to go into their Discord. If you've completed that Discord task, of course you'll be on their Discord channel. So you go into Discord, and yeah, their community is there, but the update is not live yet. So they will provide the space where we will now have to paste in your wallet address there. And also you will now need to copy your Discord nickname and paste. So this is how your Discord is going to look like. If you have completed that task, you see Arichain server here where you can paste it. Now, I'm not seeing Arichain among this my list. I don't know what is going on, but I'll rectify that later. So this is where you get to submit it. Then you come over to this U. Look at this U at the bottom right of my screen. You come over to that U there. You can see this is now, I don't know why it's taking me. Okay, this is now my username where you can copy, and they're going to show where you paste it in your Ari wallet. So this is just basically what they are talking about, and probably this is what they'll be using for their KYC. I'll drop a more clearer step once this update goes live. Just stay glued on this channel. I'll drop a clearer version of this, and make sure you are following me on my X. Yes, search for Tunis Tech on X and follow me there. This is my X. I do drop most of the updates there even before I make videos on them. For instance, I've dropped an update, one latest update that will be going live probably ending of this month or beginning of next month. So you can see this is my channel. This is my page here. Let's go over to my profile. And if I should scroll up, you can see this is the update. So you see, this is the update. So if you are not on this yet, make sure to go and join. Follow me here on X and stay in touch.